Welcome back or welcome to Rubbish Media. In this episode, we have Exhibit B's Show Us Your Lights ride. This is actually a ride around 285 in Atlanta, which encircles the city. Please subscribe, like, and share to Rubbish Media, and also check out Spider Squad ATL on YouTube and Instagram. What's going on? Helmet fogged up bad. Come on, wind, get this off me. Okay, I can see now. Let's get it. Welcome back and welcome to Rubbish Media. We are doing the 285 Show Off Them Lights tour. Hopefully my camera is working the way it should. Push it, let's go. Yo, somebody's bike sounds fantastic. I don't know what kind of pipe they got on there. A little bit of ride. Back to work on Monday, but man, I'm enjoying this. I remember the first time doing this ride. We never made it all the way around 285. I had just got my bike. I was so scared. I probably only had it like a couple of, probably not even a month, or maybe right at a month. Man, that was so scary. And we wasn't riding with this much control at that time, and staggering. It was all out, like 90. I had never probably been above 65 on that ride. I remember looking down and it was like 97 I was doing. But that ride broke me in though. It really broke me in. So I say that to say, don't be afraid to go on some rides and test your limits. I mean, don't do anything crazy, but don't be afraid to test your limits, because, and don't be afraid to ride with other people. Even if you don't like hang out per se, it is beneficial to ride with other people so you can learn a couple of things and get comfortable while you got other people looking out for you. I've had this bike almost 2 years, and it just, I get excited every time I get on it. There's a little bit of excitement. There's a little bit of excitement, or a lot of it, every time I get on it. I just wish I started riding sooner, but I'm dang sure making up for it. I should have put on long sleeves. I thought it was gonna be hot. I'm not really cold, but I'm lying. I'm cold, but I'm enjoying the ride, so I'm not really feeling it so much per se. What the? Yeah, not really feeling it so much. Yo, I don't know whose pipes that is. That is so clean. It might be Rel's bike right in front of me. Looks like he got, yeah, it looks like he has an aftermarket piece on his, yeah, that is him. That thing sounds amazing. It has a nice growl to it, but it's not like overbearing or anything like that. Sounds like all business. Yo, stay in your lane, B. I hate when people get distracted looking at you coming over into your lane. So right now we're pushing around 285 in Atlanta. The first stop usually we'll go to Camp Creek, stop at the racetrack, maybe pick up some more riders there who may live in that area. Take a break for a lot of the maybe new riders who may be white-knuckled and scared at this point. I don't know if there's another stop after that, and after that we just push on back around to the quick trip here off of 285. But you know, this ride is pretty tame. Like last time I went on this ride, man, it was balls out. I had to tap out, not because I was afraid to do 110 plus in this traffic. It was I don't know if they were doing road work, but it felt like somebody took a handful of rocks and just threw it at me. I was like, absolutely not. What the heck is that? What's that popping? It was 110, 115 and higher. And I tapped out because it felt like with all the rocks that was going up, it felt like somebody took a handful of rocks and just threw it at me. So more so than me, I was worried about my bike getting torn up. So I was like, absolutely not. I will see y'all at the next stop. I hope my camera angle is right. I don't know if the wind sometimes blows it down. I just don't, as long as I've been recording these things, I still don't have the right camera angle, so I don't know what you're seeing. I hope you're not looking at the ground. That would suck. Little adjustment. Oh, I think we're good. It's gonna have to be. I hope you can see, because there are no redos for this ride, at least. Usually we have more people on this particular ride, but a lot of people are going to a comedy club tonight for an event that's on the calendar as well. So I guess we'll catch them on the next ride. There's a couple of things going on this weekend. There's something going on tomorrow, but other than running errands, I'm not riding tomorrow, which will be Saturday. But on Sunday, there's a ride through the various hoods in the A. That's a DMX ride, and they're gonna ride to the sports bar at the same time. The group is going to a little hot dog spot that this kid has as his business, little entrepreneur.